Gold formed billions of years ago during Earth's creation, locked deep inside the planet's crust. Gold begins its journey deep underground, trapped inside hard rock formations for millions of years.
Geologists survey the land to locate gold-rich ore deposits. In open-pit mines, heavy machines remove layers of earth to reeve the ore.
In deeper deposits, miners extract gold-bearing rock from underground tunnels.
Thousands of tons of rock are transported for processing every day.
The ore is crushed into smaller fragments to free the tiny gold particles. Powerful mills grind the crushed ore into fine powder. Gravity separation helps isolate heavier gold from surrounding material.
The collected gold concentrate is weighed and prepared for refining.
Inside smelting furnaces, the material is heated until metals separate. Impurities rise to the surface as slag and are carefully removed. The purified gold is poured into molds to create rough bars. Electrolytic refining increases purity to 99.99%. Molten gold is poured into precision molds. After refining, pure gold is cooled into small granules. Pure gold is melted once more to form bars. Jewelry begins with careful design and measurement. Each bar is stamped with weight, purity, and a unique serial number.
Before leaving the refinery, every bar is carefully inspected.
Wax models are created to form perfect casting shapes.
The wax is surrounded by ceramic to create a mold. When the wax melts away, molten gold fills its place. Skilled craftsmen shape each piece with accuracy.
Gemstone setting completes the luxury finish.
Polishing reveals the final shine of fine gold.
Finished jewelry is boxed and prepared for stores worldwide.